keep a target of 100 days. So today is day one. You always keep a target and you can always go back and check, right? Some people would be busy today. They might have not attended this session. They can go back and check the recordings. But if you're not able to check the recording, that means you are skipping that 100 days target. So keep a target. 100 days is our next target. In these 100 days, I want to learn all the data analysis related technical aspects. Right. So today is day one. Yesterday we might have started, but today is day one because today is what we started technical. And we started with SQL. What is the basics of SQL? What is database? How schemas are present, right? So today is day one. Keep a target on whichever days you are completing, you're going through, you are understanding that concept. Only you have to consider that day and progress. Your progress should be continued. So tomorrow would be day two. Now, what we would be learning in this particular course, we would be learning, let me give you an idea. So we would be learning, we started with SQL. For a data analyst course, more specific to BI analysis, we would be starting with SQL, which is in depth, we would be covering. Post that, there would be Power BI reporting, including Microsoft Fabric, which we have discussed yesterday. And then the Azure services. These three combined to form an Azure services. Right. So we would be learning, we'll be going through all these technical aspects in next 3.5 to 4 months. Right. Our target is 100. You keep that target. There will be here from 90 to 120 days, we will complete all these technical skills. But our target is 100 days. Right. Target in the sense you have to keep that target, not me, but you have to keep that target. Right. So we would be going through all these technical skills in depth. We just started with SQL. There would be minimum 22 sessions of SQL. Monday to Friday, we have our sessions from 8 to 9:30 a.m. in the morning. All morning batch. I mean, mine is complete morning batch. Minimum 22 sessions for SQL. And Monday to Friday, 8 to 9:30 a.m. And again, having been said, from the KSR's end, do we only take technical sessions? No. From the current market point of perspective, we also cover what domain you need to understand. I mean, there are different domains, right? Healthcare domain, logistics or shipment domain. There would be some banking domain. So there are different verticals. There are different domains you need to understand. So we will be going through some domain understanding as well. We would also give you an idea about what is agile, how project management happens in agile, what is the current way of working in any company nowadays. That is more a kind of agile way of working. We will also assume your resume. We will understand it. Maybe you have to create your basic resumes. You can share it with us. Post that, right? Once we complete Power BI, then we can start with this resume building session. And we will also have some interview preparation sessions. So these are all non-technical, but these are all part and parcel of this course. You need not pay separately for them. These sessions are usually on weekends. Either of the weekend, I'll try to take off these sessions, which will be beneficial for you. Not now, maybe once we just complete SQL, we can start with some basics of domain knowledge along with Power BI. That's how this non-technical exposure would be. And the sessions would be for 3.5 to 4 months. Maximum, we keep a duration of 4 months. If here and there some buffer is there, right? We have some holidays in between, we have some festivals in between. So that is the reason we usually keep a buffer of 15 days, right? But the target is 100 days. You keep a target of 100 days that within next 100 days, I would be a good data analyst. That you have to keep, right? So even if you're skipping today's session, You have to go back and understand what was discussed. You have to practice them, and then you can tick mark your day, that this is day 1, day 2, day 3. You can tick mark it. And what's the course fees? 30K is the course fees. There are different payment options. If you're paying it one single time, there is a discount which our team will help you. But today is the second free session, right? There are still 3 more free sessions. You still have time. Will not uh, say that you should pay and attend the sessions. You have ample time. You can attend the next 3 sessions. Then you can decide whether what you are able to understand. Then you can further have a discussion with our team, right? So you can easily connect with our team. The best option is you can easily visit. Let me show you. Right. So if you visit any browser, if you directly mention KSR Data Vision, you can easily visit our website. And from this website, if you want to get some additional, this website will give you all this information. Now, you might also have a question that I want to see what all technical skills will be discussed in all the sequel or this complete batch, right? What would be discussing, what would be covered. So if you want to check, right? Anyways, first 5 days sessions are live on YouTube. You can easily get the recordings. Now, how to get access to the recordings is once you visit this website, you need to click on sign in. Now, once you click on sign in, you will go to this page. In this particular page, you will have an option. If you are already registered on our website, you can directly log in. If not, there is an option called as create a new account. If you click on this create a new account, it will ask you what should be your email ID. You can send an email ID. You can mention your email ID. It will send an OTP to verify your email ID. And once you verify that, it will ask you to create a password, temporary password or a password. Now, once that is mentioned, you can come down. You can click on login here. So whatever credentials, you can use your personal emails also to log into this website, right? So once you log into this website, you can go to this explore courses. Inside this explore courses, you go to free sessions. Inside this free sessions, the very first option, full stack Power BI, because we are yet to complete all our 5 free sessions, right? You can click here, right? So it would open and it will give you an access option, access course. You can easily access it. So once you click on access, it would be added to your bucket, right? So it would be automatically added to your bucket. And you can see there are a few options here. Now, these are all previous batch recordings. These are all previous batch recordings. You can easily access them. Now, whenever you access this course, the very first process, the very first component it highlights is a PDF. This PDF is your course curriculum. You can download it. You will get an option called as download. Now you need to understand the difference, right? You are in the lessons option. If you want to access class records, maybe you have skipped today's recording or yesterday's recording, you can go to this class records and you can easily access. You see, yesterday's recording is view recording. It is available. Today's is still live. Once this session is done after 40 or 50 minutes, this recording would be auto updated or automatically available here. You can go back and check the recording. And next 3 sessions are already scheduled. So you can check your class records here. It would be same once you enroll also. Maybe again, we'll try to discuss it. That's the further process. What is course curriculum? This is course curriculum. If you're not able to check that course curriculum, that means you're in the wrong tab. You need to go to this lessons tab.
Show it again from how, like from after signing, where do I have
Um, if you're asking a question, your voice is very low.
sorry.
Now am I audible?
Yeah, you are clear.
Yeah, sorry. My headphone was off. So I'm asking, like, can you please show it again? Like, how do we go,
Okay.
like, navigate to this
So
page
if
from
you
sign in?
go to Google,
Yeah, I've already
Just
signed in
yeah,
in
you have
KSR.
already signed it. Okay.
Mm.
Now, once you sign in, once you open, you will get this explore courses option. Are you able to get that?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Click on that explore courses.
Mm-hmm.
Once you click on the explore courses, you will have multiple tabs: free sessions, upcoming sessions, paid
Yep,
sessions,
got
ongoing.
it, got
Go
it.
to free sessions.
Okay.
The very first tab, which is available, full stack Power BI with data analytics and MS Fabric preview, free preview. You have to click on that. Once you click on that, you will get an option called as enroll now or
Okay.
access now.
Yep, I've clicked on enroll now.
Yeah. So it would open this tab. It would open this window. Are you able to check that?
Yep, I've clicked on access now, and yeah, I've got it.
Okay.
Got it. Thank you.
Yeah. So whatever information was supposed to be there, I've clearly shared it. And if anyone is following KSR nowadays, right? If you follow this KSR, right? Or maybe if you follow our YouTube channel, if you follow us on uh, Instagram also, or if you follow us on WhatsApp as well, right? If you're already part of certain WhatsApp uh, groups or WhatsApp community, um, you can easily see. I mean, you can easily go back and check what we are discussing on day-to-day basis, or how our progress is here in the KSR. You will get all an idea, better clarity there. Anyways, I would be highlighting here and there in between. I just wanted to make my idea or make my clarity or my thought clear that this would be a morning session, 8 to 9:30, Monday to Fridays. And having been said, target is of 100 days. So you have to go back. You have to click yourself. I can start my 100 days from today also. But the question is at what date you are starting and whether you are correctly matching your all 100 days. You should not skip one single day between. Again, open to questions.
So I have a question.
Mhm,
So currently I'm pursuing business analytics.
mhm.
So I'm confused whether this course is right or should I previously enrolled for the AIML course, but I couldn't attend due to my exam. So now I'm confused. Like, would it be better to pursue this or that course? So like, what would make
Okay.
sense?
So,
So I'm doing my MBA in business analytics.
okay. Okay, you're
Yeah.
pursuing it. You're in the first year or second year?
No, I'm in the like last one semester is left out.
Okay, that means you're in the last year, fourth semester.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yes,
Now, see, you have to decide business analytics. It's a combination of multiple things, right? Again,
correct.
this course says that you will become a certified data or a BI analyst, business intelligence analyst.
Mm-hmm.
Now, anyone I've clearly mentioned, right? Anyone from these background can take up this course. Now the question is, are you really interested in business analytics or data analytics? Or are you really interested in data science? The AI ML is more a kind of data science. It is a pure
Okay.
data science. There, okay. Now coming to this course has less programming concepts, more a kind of reporting or tool-based access, right? Power BI is more a kind of tool-based. Whatever we would be learning in SQL or DAX, it is more a kind of formula-based, right? A person who can understand English, they can easily write SQL queries. A person who can understand English, they can easily write SQL queries. But if you go to data science is more a kind of program oriented program. It's a program oriented course, right? There you need to learn Python, there you need to learn Hadoop, Spark, all these will come into picture. Now you have to decide which is best fit for you. Both the options are open. I'm not saying data science is bad. For few people, if they want to have a career growth in data science, for them that's the best course. If you're looking for a business analytics or business intelligence or data analysis or business intelligence, this is the right course.
Got it. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Any other questions? Right now, keep a target that you would be completing or you would be pro in this data analytics in next 100 days. That is the most important target. With that target, we will continue in tomorrow's session. I assume that there aren't any questions as of now. If you still have questions, please reach out us. Maybe you, if you want to contact us, the contact numbers are mentioned here. If you visit our website, the contact numbers are clearly mentioned, right? So you can go to this contact option. And once you scroll down, you will get these contact numbers. You can email us also if you have any questions, or you can have a chat with us here. You have this chat. Okay, if some of us, maybe some individual from the KSR team is not responding, that doesn't mean he will not respond. He might be busy now, but definitely we will reach out to you with your query. Whatever query you have posted in the WhatsApp, we will definitely reach out.
So where can I find the course like outline? Like
What outline? Uh,
you just mentioned, right? Correct. Okay, I got it. Like in the website in the first initial
First
leftmost
initial.
corner.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you
Thank
can
you.
download this PDF. Now, this PDF has all high level information, right? We would be discussing more than what is clearly mentioned. Right? This is all high level information because we did not mention every point. Usually we mention all high level information. Yes, with all this high level information, we will be covering. And you can go to the last page also. This is all our placements. I mean, placements in the sense, see, we give a support that, okay, what needs to be explained in the interviews? How do you clear interviews? That support is always given from the KSR side, right? And we also refer people. We have good contacts. We also refer people. And if you are part of this, any WhatsApp communities nowadays, whatever placement you are seeing, out of which 50-60% placements are all referred by KSR folks. Even I try to refer. There are some other trainers who are also referring in their companies or their contacts. And even KSR has some good contacts. So if any openings are shared within the KSR, we usually try to reach out to people who are really working, who are really going through each and every session, right? We try to filter out them. In a batch, there can be 50 students, 100 students, 70 students, 80 students. Out of 80 students, we'll never share that opening with all 80. Usually, we reach out to people who are really attending. So that's the reason I always keep a target, right? Keep a target of that 100 days. So if you're frequently attending sessions or going through recordings, we can easily check who is attending, who is going through recordings. So we only reach out to them because we feel that that person is right fit for that particular role. There will be some general openings, right? If there are 50 open positions, 60 open positions, in that case, we publicly share. Uh, is there a way can we reach out to you directly, ma'am? I am going through the sessions. If you have any questions, you still okay? Is it Garvit? Okay, sorry, I mispronounced. Garvit, if you want to reach out to us, you can directly reach out to us. I mean, the contact numbers are of the team, right? They also know what technical, I mean, you have technical doubts, you have any issues with what you want to have a communication with, they will also help you. There are still 3 more days. If you have any other questions, please write it down. Maybe you can ask in tomorrow's session again. I'll try to answer it. Maybe not tomorrow, maybe next 3 sessions. Okay, I assume that there are no more questions. We're almost good for today. If you still have any other questions, please feel free to ask us in tomorrow's session, right? Expecting all of you again tomorrow in tomorrow's session. Thank you, everyone. Have a great day ahead. Let's connect back tomorrow.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.